Local news for Monday the 2nd of July. Next year's Wings Over Wairarapa Festival is adding another element. As well as flying with a much-loved variety of aircraft from World War I to present day, the 2019 Air Festival will have a strong emphasis on education and careers for youth. REAP Wairarapa Schools Liaison Trudy Sears has been working closely with Wings Operations Manager Chris Tracy to develop a robust, interactive and engaging program for students of all ages. South Wairarapa Vets presented a cheque to Hobart Bruce on Friday following last month's Kiwi Ball and Dancing with the Vets. Just over $15,000 was raised from the evening. A cheque also presented on the night from the Carlton Lions for a further $1,000. And in sport and club rugby for the weekend, Marist upset Greytown 23-13. East Coast heaped more misery on Master Redstar with a 72-12 win. Gladstone beat Ikitahuna 22-5 to remain top of the table. And Carlton beat Martinborough 31-8. Tuhurangi and Carlton were the winners for the Senior Reserve Top 4.